How to crossplay Overcooked 2 on Xbox and PlayStation 4. It's a very quick and easy process. Make sure to follow along. First, crossplay is always enabled by default on Overcooked 2, as you can see by the official Team 17 website for frequently asked questions, which means that as long as you open up the game and you set up your 17 account ID properly, when you first open up the game, you should be able to just invite your friends by going over to the social menu, selecting them and inviting them. When you add them as a friend on your Team 17 account, remember to add them as friends, and then you can find their names on the social tab and just invite them to your lobby. You don't have to turn on any options, and you can invite friends from all other consoles. Team 17 also states on their website that all levels are currently playable across platform. I hope I was able to help you on how to crossplay Overcooked 2 on Xbox and PlayStation 4. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thank you.